Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to send audio files on Instagram, whether it's a song, a voice note, or any sound clip. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to the DM section at the top right. Now open the chat of the person you want to send the audio to. Let me go with this one. If you want to send a voice message, just tap and hold the microphone icon next to the message box. Speak your message and release it when you're done. Instagram will automatically send your recorded voice note. But if you want to send an audio file like an MP3 or song, Instagram does not allow direct file sharing. But don't worry, here's the trick. Open your Google Drive and upload the file to Google Drive or Dropbox. Let me choose audio and let me go with this one. Tap upload. Now tap on this three-dot menu icon and tap copy link and paste it into your Instagram chat. The person you send it to can simply tap the link to listen or download the audio. This method works for both Android and iPhone users, and that's it. That's how you send audio files or voice messages on Instagram easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick Instagram tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.